Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm diving into the Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000, a powerhouse for outdoor adventures and emergency backup. Available on Amazon, this kit packs a punch with its expandable capacity and eco-friendly design. Let's break down why it's a fantastic choice, sprinkle in a few cons to keep it real, and share why I think it's worth your investment. First off, the Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000 boasts a massive 4085 watt-hour capacity, expandable up to 24 kilowatt-hours. That's enough to run a fridge, power tools, or even an RV air conditioner for hours. The kit includes the Explorer 2000 Plus, a 2000 Plus battery pack, and two 200-watt SolarSaga panels, making it a complete off-grid solution. I love how it delivers 3,000 watts of continuous output with a 6,000-watt surge, so you can confidently power heavy-duty devices. The LiFePO4 battery is a standout rated for 4,000 cycles, meaning it'll hold 70% capacity after a decade of daily use. That's reliability you can count on. Charging is another strong suit. With the included solar panels, you can fully charge in about 2 hours under ideal conditions, thanks to Jackery's advanced IBC technology. If you're near an outlet, the 1,800-watt AC input gets you from 0 to 80% in just 1.3 hours. The quiet charging mode at only 30 decibels is perfect for peaceful campsites or late-night use. Plus, the Jackery app lets you monitor and control everything from your phone, which is super convenient for real-time status checks. The build quality is top-notch. At just under 24 pounds for the main unit, it's portable for its power class, with a sturdy handle and durable solar panels that fold for easy storage. The 5-year warranty, including a 2-year extension when bought from Jackery's official site, adds peace of mind. It's also eco-friendly, with TÜV carbon-neutral certification and recyclable packaging, which is a big win for sustainable living. Now let's touch on a couple of cons. The price is a significant investment, often retailing around $4,000, though sales can bring it down. The solar panels, while efficient, need direct sunlight and ample space, about 91 inches long when unfolded, so setup can be tricky on a small deck or shady campsite. Also, the app lacks push notifications, so you'll need to check it manually for updates. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000 is a game-changer for campers, RV enthusiasts, or anyone needing reliable backup power. Its versatility, fast charging, and long lifespan make it a smart buy. I wholeheartedly recommend it for anyone looking to go off-grid or prep for emergencies. For the best pricing, check the link below for special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Don't forget to explore our other videos for reviews on similar products. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.